Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my very first Swiss Army knife. The model is VICTORINOX. It's made by Swiss. So let's open it. I got it from Canadian Tire for $20. It's the smallest that they have. So this is the color, it's red. It has a little keychain part. So let's see what it is. So first we have the knife. Then we have a nail filer and a screwdriver. Then we have to flip from the other side. And then we have scissors. And then over here we have a toothpick. And then over here we have some tweezers. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video.